this whiskey coloured raincoat. He's showing a shocking pink.
And we're back. So I went and did the other side. I had a little slip with the blade, but maybe able to just like sand that down a little bit. So it's open. This black, that's the perished rubber band. It smears. It gets everywhere. Be very careful. I'm actually gonna, I'll pause the video in a moment, but I need to get the bits I need next for cleaning. So this is where the talking mechanism is housed, and we've got this needs to, well, we need to get, I'm not sure, I don't know all the technical terms, but it'll either be sort of like a blue color, or it could be clear, but it'll always be the same shape, and it's fastened in two places here. So just in there. I could use a little pointy thing rather than my fat finger. So right in there, and then again here. And usually can just sort of ain't that sod's law. Usually it will just sort of, with a little bit, actually, can I feel it coming? Yeah. I'm just going to make sure, yeah, see, I'm getting black. So I just want to be really careful now as I hold this, because I don't want to get, and there's already a bit, but let's get this off. Ah. And I'm just going to put this back down. I'm just going to, and I'm going to pause. Well, I'm going to stop the video and just reset myself, get all the bits I need for this cleaning job. But this is, you know, we've opened the torso up now, ready to actually clean, and that's the main thing really in here, is the cleaning up of it. Usually there's not really anything to fix. There are little bits I'll just sort of, I'll use the Q-tip to point out to you. So here there's usually a little plastic piece. Don't want to lose that. Then we've got here is, so this is the arm, and then the needle is underneath there. Obviously the record, the disc, and the old string. Here's the ping. What on earth, ping? Spring. That's the spring, and this, oh, I can't remember the name for it. It's like counterweight or something, but it regulates the speed. So let's pause, and I'll come back and show you the cleaning.